Good morning, dear students. Today's lesson is about comparing decimals. We are going to solve page 20 in your school book. Here, put the suitable sign less than or greater than in each box. Here, for the first one, 5.1 and 4.3. First of all, we have to compare the whole numbers first. The one which has the greatest whole number is the greatest one. So here 5.1 and here 4.3. So of course 5.1 is bigger. Next 17.22, here 9.7. Of course 17 is greater than 9, then 17.22 is bigger. Here 53.01, 49.98. So here 53 and here 49. Of course 53 is bigger. Next 86.68 and 112.1. Of course 112 is bigger. Here 273.05, 2732.5. Of course the number which is big, has biggest whole, is the biggest one. 508, 436.9. Here we are going to suppose that we have point here and here is 0. Of course this is the whole number and here is the whole number. Of course this one is big. Okay, turn the page. Here, drill 3. Compare each of the following pairs of numbers. Which one is bigger, 4.6 or 4.7? Here, the whole numbers are the same. Now we are going to compare the decimal. The first decimal digit here is 6 and the first decimal digit here is 7. Of course, 4.7 is bigger. Here, 18.5 and 18.05. Now here we have the same whole, and here we have one decimal digit and here we have two decimal digits. So here we have to put 0 beside 5 to make them equal. Here we have 18.50 and here 18.05. So let's compare the first decimal digit. Here is 5 and the first decimal digit here is 0. Then here this one which is bigger, 18.5. okay, here the same. Here we don't have wholes, so we are going to compare the decimals. Here I have 0.6 and here 0.26. so as we said, let us make them equal. Here we have to put 0, so 0.60 and 0.26. so of course 0.60 is bigger. Okay, here again we have the same whole, so we are going to compare according to the decimal number. Here I have 40.4, so put 0 to make them equal. 40.40 and here 40.14, so of course 40.40 is bigger. Here 57 and 57.02. Here we have a whole number and here we have a whole and decimal. The whole are the same, so of course the one which had the same whole and a decimal number is bigger. Here's the last one, 0.73 and here 0.09. Here 7, here is 0, so of course the one which has 7 is bigger. Okay, here is the same. We are going to choose which one is greater and here which one is smaller. The same idea as we did last exercises, and here we put the sign. Let's do the number line together. Here write each of the following numbers in its suitable place on the number line, then complete. 7.8. Here I have 7, so of course here 7.1, 7.2 and here 7.3. So this is the first one. Okay, let's complete. 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 7.7. Yes, here 7.8. Now here I have 8. We are going to count till we are going to reach to 8.2. 7, and the last one of course is 9.1. And here we are going to arrange them according to the smallest number first. We are going to write the smallest number 7.3, 7.8, 8.7, and the last one is 9.1. Okay, thank you dear students.